Sugar, you got that something
We've been
special.
workmates ever since.
I felt the shiver when I met you. The shit that make these instrumentals.
Certain songs, I know I said it before, but I feel like I'm in
So if
love.
you're watching, hey guys! So we're gonna go to Pampanga today. O tayo magpakita! Ina-admire ko muna yung intro mo. So, magdadrive muna kami sa Starbucks before we go up sa Skyway. Kaya, ayun. Kasi hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. We just got off our shift. And yeah. Ang ganda namin today! Chika ba Samgyup? Tapos parang gusto ko puntahan yung Urban Cafe. Kasi picture doon yung crush ko. So, picture doon tayo, te. Yeah, aesthetic yun, te. Aesthetic. By the way, she's new to my vlog. This is Saki. We've been workmates ever since. Ever since! So, we're guys. While waiting, we're here in Petron. And, ayun, naka-order na kami ng Starbucks. So, I had the white chocolate mocha. And then, Saki had the matcha latte. For life. Yeah, and then we got me chicken barbecue na bread. And then you turkey ham, egg white, and cheese. Guys, kaya today. Charot. Checked in. We availed the... Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa room na to. So, ilalagay ko na lang somewhere here. But yeah, just a quick room tour for you guys. Medyo maliit lang siya. But what I like about the room is that yung size niya is double bed. So, hindi siya single. And then, merong sofa here na pwede rin actually going bed. And then, hindi ko lang gusto yung view In fairness naman, ano na yan, Quest. And then, we have a small closet here. And then, yan, may ganyan. I don't know what that's called. And then, here's the bathroom. And ito nga pala yung OTD ko, guys. It's from Shopee. So, I'll link it down below, too. Ayan. Then, may shower area. That's it. Ready, set. So, we just settled in. Nag-ayos na ako ng hair. Nagkulot-kulot lang ako. This is my pangkulot, by the way. So, this was budled by Lou Sanchez. So, yan. Nakita ko sa kanya yan. Kaya bumili din ako kasi naingit ako. But anyway, sobrang kalat na dito. Kasi, yun nga, nag-settle na kami and everything. And now, we're going out para mag-lunch. It's already 2:50 pero magla-lunch pa lang kami. Then, we're gonna swim later. Exciting! So, we're already here at 128 Shopee. Highway! Yes! Represent! Ano meron sa Friendship Highway? Wala lang, we're friends. Good morning, guys! So, we are going downstairs to have our breakfast. It's already around 9 a.m. Check out dito is 11 a.m. but we requested if we can extend or like late check out. Sakit na ulo ko, te. But anyways, we hope the food is good. Pakita mo naman yung hangover face mo. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi. We went to ABC Pool Club. Nakalimutan ko yung camera ko. Subic. Dapat pauwi na kami actually, but yeah, paalam ako sa boss ko if pwede akong mag-outing pa and extend yung bakasyon, and oh my god, she said yes. So, we're on the way to Subic now!
Sugar, you got that something special. I felt that shit right when I met you. That shit that made these instrumentals.
So we are already here in WhiteRock. Biglaan to, Ted. At uuwi na kami. Pero we're here. And mamaya ako nakikira-room tour kasi like, baka matulog ako. Pagod na pagod ako, Ted. But I'm currently watching my kambal. Si Alex G. But yeah, later ko nakikira-room tour. Okay, bye. Okay, so nakapagpahinga na ako. Ito na yung tour. From here, kapag pasok nyo, ito na agad yung comfort room. And surprisingly, sobrang luwang ng comfort room for 2 people. In fairness naman, sino kayo dyan? So this one is the shower area. And then may bathtub, taray. Tapos vanity area, sink, and then toilet, and then sabitan towel. Anyway, sobrang laki niya ha. Pero medyo old school na siya, but carry lang, ang laki niya. Parang pwedeng 10 dyan. And then, as you enter the bedroom, ito siya, medyo mahaba yung hallway niya. And then we have 2 double beds again, like kay Quest. And then, love the TV. Ngayon lang namin binuksan. Yung TV sa Quest, hindi namin nagamit. But ito kasi pagdating namin, naka-open na siya. And it has Netflix and YouTube. So, yeah. We have a balcony. So, this is our view. Yan. So, wala masyadong tao ngayon. Pero, like, nagulat ako na ganito kalaki yung resort. Like, oh my gosh, laki. Ang daming pool and also ang daming activities, ang daming mga water, kineme route. So, yan, maulan lang today. But, yeah, sobrang ganda ng view. Ay, ako ko. This is our balcony and meron siyang small something dyan. So, it's so nice. It's raining, but we're still here. Swing mo naman. Girl, sa mga wedding.
I told Vino I'm getting sick, huh? Sip on Vino and then it hit more. Yeah. My baby holding me down while the room spinning around. Towel on my mouth and then she kissed for. I hope that it's on the table. There when I'm mistaken.
Okay, so we are about to check out here at WhiteRock in Subic. So,
To do is listen to able. If you willing and able, just give me my space. I know that shit makes you anxious, but promise I'm grateful. Shawty, give me what I want and need, so she can get just what she wants.
we're already done sa duty free. Ito yung pinamili namin.
Just a bit of company, yeah, of company.